Hi, everyone, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Today, I'm going to share Pakistani authentic traditional Peshawari beef recipe. Very easy and simple recipe. Beef preparation. Beef 3 kilograms with bone and fat. Black pepper 1 tablespoon. Salt to taste. Potato 4 pieces medium. Onion 3 pieces. Garlic 3 pieces. Ginger 8 nice pieces cube cut. Tomato 3 medium. Naga chili 2/3 pieces. Clarified butter 1 tablespoon. Cover and cook 10 minutes on high heat. Stir. Add hot water as required. Cover and slow cook 3 to 4 hours. Check in between. After 4 hours, beef cooked perfectly. Very soft and juicy. Done. Garnish with fresh coriander leaf. Ready to serve. Hope you enjoy. Thanks for watching.